Hi. It was a dumb idea. I don't actually like the way I eat since I got my teeth redone. I have kind of an underbite and I chomp like a cow. But I always like to film these videos from somewhere different so that they're not all the exact same location over there in my office area. And today's Saturday, so I thought it was kind of an interesting idea to show off a little bit of my morning rituals and my filming. So hi, my name's Jeff Goebel, and this is an Orange Shirt blog. And I was sharing my new to-do process with a couple of other friends today. And it's taken me quite a few years to get to this area where I have a new method of doing things and getting things done that's worked for me. The last time I changed was when I realized that my email program, which is 2007, hasn't been updated since then. Although an awful lot of people are still using Outlook 2003, so I shouldn't feel so bad. But anyway, I use a program called Eudora, and it hasn't been updated since 2007, and it's a little bit old in some things, especially since Microsoft went and changed the idea of what an apostrophe is. But I like it because it has two unique, well, let's say three or four, but two unique features that I really like. And one of them I haven't found on any other email program, and that's the ability to have two separate inboxes open at the same time and drag between them. And also I can colorize the items, and by dragging between the two mailboxes, resort, because it doesn't have to sort by date. It can sort just by what order you put them in. So I discovered this quite a few years ago, and it really helped me a lot to keep my to-do list organized. So I have the mailbox on the left, my inbox of all the things that I actually have to do, messages from clients and people that I have to respond to. And then my message inbox on the right is kind of the ones that I want to keep around for a while and still think about regularly, but not actively need a response. So it's kind of my inbox cache. the things that are still in my face. Now, I have a multiple monitor setup, as you might have seen in one of the other videos. I have 3 screens. And so the email is always on one screen. It's always there. If I'm sitting at the computer, my email is on and in my face, and I can see all of the tasks that I have to do and all of the things that I need as reminders. And then to the side of that, I've got folders that I can sort things into. And I don't delete any email, including junk mail, so it's stored in folders that I can search at any time. And this system's worked out quite well for me, but it's still just me. And I learned a long time ago, but reinforced recently, that it's very easy to let yourself down, but harder to let other people down, especially for someone with my personality traits. So just recently, I don't know what sparked it, but in the process of my 100 days of job search and my life betterment project, which includes therapy and medication and this change, I changed the process that every day I create a to-do list. Now, a lot of people do this. They create it on notepads or sticky notes or sheets of paper, and everyone's got a different process. But I created it in an email, and it contains everything that I need to do, the things that I plan to do, the things that I successfully did yesterday, with personal comments and notations, and I colorize the things that have changed since the last time I created the list. And then here's the key. I share that list with a friend. And the mere act of sharing the list turns it into a responsibility rather than just tasks I could ignore. And it's made a huge difference in getting things done. Because each day I tell somebody what I'm going to do. And if I don't do it, it's a letdown, and I don't like letting people down. Even if it's someone, it's not a significant person. It's not. I didn't mean it that way. What I mean is, it's the mere act of sharing that's important. Who I'm sharing it with is less important. But I found someone to share it with that I get along with, and that nags won't irritate me and such. So it's a good process. The thing is, if I put things off for too long, every day I'm making a comment about it, or I'm updating it, or I'm rewriting it, and I'm noticing it. And after a few days, if I still am putting it off, the person who gets that message may reply and say, maybe it's time for this one today, and I reorganize my priorities. Now, I've been doing this, I don't remember how long exactly, but about 2 weeks, give or take. And it has been an extremely successful 2 weeks. I've been incredibly happy about getting things done. Even things that I had on the list for months. Now, there's still a couple there that I put off because I can. But I've been doing a lot more work than I have the previous year. I work straight through from the morning till lunch. I take a break. I often work straight through till after 6, and some days I work through till 9 or 10. And for me, that's very new. It's incredibly new. And the good news is it's been enjoyable. I enjoy doing the work. So, in summary, I found it... I hate it when I mess up towards the end of a long video. But anyway, in summary, it's been a good couple of weeks. I've been successfully doing things. And it's only, I don't know, Saturday. I can't see the clock from here because I don't have my glasses on. I've forgotten. But anyway, it's still morning. I just had breakfast, and I've already got a lot done. I've created the to-do list for today. I've sent it out, and after breakfast, I will go back over there, and I will start work. Maybe I'll nap first. I don't include the naps on the to-do list. But anyway, I will get things done today, and then I'll get things done tomorrow, and then I'll get things done Monday, and all is good. Unfortunately, not a lot of it's new, so I still haven't solved the job search project, but that should be on the list. Do something towards that every day. Good idea. Thanks, Jeff. You're welcome, Jeff. Anyway, thanks for watching me on Frogstar TV. This has been a happy Saturday Orange Shirt blog.